Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your extended love reading. Before that, I'm going to tell you the things which I need to tell you. The main energy is Tower here, Aquarius. Some unexpected changes, some sudden changes are going to happen in your life. This is the divine intervention. Okay, and I'm getting the divine intervention, the Tower, in all my decks for you. So in the month of April, there are sudden beautiful changes which are coming for you, and there is Star card here. There are new hopes, new desires which are coming for you. Someone move in a forward direction, okay, in search of Nine of Cups here, and this person was emotionally unavailable for you, okay, but now they're spending sleepless nights and they are releasing all the burdens which they're carrying on their shoulder here. Okay, they cannot sleep at night. This was someone who is King of Swords, who was unable to sleep at night. This person was emotionally unavailable to you here, Aquarius. Now they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on the shoulders, but you were giving lot of love to this person and you are patiently waiting for this person here. I'm getting the waiting energy from your side. You're keeping your patience. You are giving lots of love to this person. Maybe with this person you want to create a family, happy life, 10 of Cups energy, or you already having a family with this person, because I'm having here Hierophant and the 10 of Cups both here. So with this person you are already having the family, or you are already married to this person, and if you're not married then you are already committed to with this person. Maybe you are having the children with this person, but you are waiting patiently. You're waiting for this person for long period of time, but the waiting period is over, is getting end here. Death and rebirth, transformation is taking place here. You can be dealing with the water sign, earth sign and air sign is here. Heavenly, water and air is here. Okay, so yes, death and rebirth is here. You are hoping for new homes. There is healing which is going on, because bottom of the deck I'm having Three of Swords. Whatever past hurts were there, this was someone who break your heart very badly, but now you are doing your inner work. You're working on yourself. You're doing your healing. You are becoming spiritual ascended here, Aquarius. You're becoming spiritual mature. Okay, the other meaning of Hierophant is spiritual mature. So now there is Two of Cups and the Sun. This is beautiful. Okay, Sun was there from 4 decks. While doing your meditation also, I was getting the Sun. Can you see how bright light was there in between? Thank you for giving the indication. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. So now let's start your clarification. Let's see what are the meaning of these cards. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please help me out in this extended reading to clarify these cards. Let's see. What are the meaning of Eight of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, but I'm not going to take it. Okay. Two of Pentacles. This person was juggling between two situation, or two person or two situation. Okay, they were not able to make a decision here, Aquarius. They were trying so hard to bring a balance, but there was no balance in your situation here. Okay, they were juggling a lot here. There was no balance here. Let me clarify why there is Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups, Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck I'm having King of Swords again. See here, King of Swords. This is someone who took long period of time to come towards, oh my god, Five of Wands, Eight of Cups. Okay. There were lot of fighting, drama, arguments. This person moved in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Now the Justice and the Ten of Cups is here. They finally getting to know that they can only make a family with you, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for them. You can, this person can make family with you. Ten of Cups, happily ever after. Why there is King of Swords? Magician and the Four of Pentacles. You are holding on. You're not opening up yourself. You're not giving this person energy at all. You're not giving this person energy here, Aquarius. But they are manifesting here something. They're doing the manifestation, but you are holding on. You're not ready to open up. This is someone from your past. Okay, they want to take a leap of faith with you here. Nine of Swords, I was getting the clarification. They want to take a leap of faith with you. They want new beginning with you. This is someone who is your soulmate. This is also a soulmate card here, Aquarius. Okay, and Six of Cups is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. You both know each other very well. Clarify me, Ten of Wands. This was someone who was very mysterious, okay, very creative, adventurous, passionate, right? But they were having a lot of confusion about their own emotions. They were not having any clarity here in the past. Can you see? They want to give you equal amount of give and take. That's why they're releasing all the burdens. Why they're releasing all the burdens? Because they were unaware about their own emotions here, Aquarius. They were unaware about their own emotions here. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. Can you see? But they were unaware about their own emotions. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Queen of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups. Maybe you are having lot of options to choose. Bottom of the deck I'm having Hangman, but you are feeling like an hangman. Okay, maybe you are having lot of options to choose. You are financially independent, stable, grounded here. There are a lot of people in your life here. Can you see? Three of Pentacles. They are collaboration. You are financially stable and you can choose many options here, but you are feeling like an hangman, Aquarius. You cannot move in a forward direction because you're keeping your temperance. Can you see? It just want to come out. This is King of Wands. This is Queen of Wands. Because you want your divine counterpart in your life. You want only this King of Wands here. That's why you're feeling like an hangman. You are having lot of options to choose, but you want this King of Wands here. This is you. You just want your divine counterpart, and here I'm having the divine counterpart. Here I'm having a power couple, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, both are here. You're keeping your temperance. You are having lot of options to choose here, Aquarius, but you want one particular person. Clarify me, temperance. This person leave you out in cold. Yes. Page of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. You know, you have the clarity that you are single, abundant, happy, enjoying your singlehood, and you are keeping tabs on this person. You are keeping patiently waiting for this person for a long period of time here, Aquarius. Or this person is keeping tabs on you, but someone is keeping tabs on someone here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Cups. Again, a pair of power couple. Someone is spying here, Aquarius. Someone is waiting, keeping patience, and looking into each other accounts, spying, doing spying and all, and they see you as single, very happy, abundant, single, enjoying your singlehood. And you have the clarity here. You don't have any confusion. You have your clarity that what you want in your life. What you want in your life. You are very much clear here. Clarify me. Ten of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. 1 1 was the, oh my god, recording reading time. They manipulate you, Aquarius. They broke your heart, and you know this truth. This was someone who betray you, who put you in a third party situation. Can you see? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Cups and Three of Cups. They're coming towards you with a sorry, with the apology here. They played with you, they played with the mind games. They manipulate you, lying, cheating, manipulation, and you know this truth that this person break your heart. This person is someone who manipulates you, who plays mind games with you, who is a cheater, who is a liar. You know this is a manipulative energy, cheating, lying, manipulation, betrayal energy. You know this truth because Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. See, they want to apologize with you, Aquarius, to putting you in a third party situation. They broke your heart many times. I'm literally feeling like crying. And here again, I'm having the King of Swords and Queen of Swords, both here, the power couple again. This is someone with whom you are destined to be here, Aquarius. Either this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. Okay, you're dealing with your twin flame or soulmate. Someone is it. They're keeping their strength with you. You are keeping your strength with you, Aquarius. They know that they broke your heart. They know. They put you in a third party situation, and you also know that this person is deceptive, manipulative, lie, cheating, manipulation. They do that. Clarify me Three of Wands. Clarify me Three of Wands. There was a third party situation, that is for sure. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Empress with the Five of Swords. There were a lot of conflicts with this person here, Aquarius, but still you are rising as an Empress here. There is Three of Cups, Four of Wands, and the Death card. Both are here. Whatever third party situation was here, that situation is going to end. Can you see here also I'm having Three of Wands and the Death card. And here also I'm having Death card. Death and rebirth. Whatever situation was there, whatever third party situation was there, that situation is going to end here, Aquarius. Death and rebirth. Clarify me death. Please clarify me death. Why there is death? Queen of Cups. Your life is going to change here, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Nine of Cups and Five of Pentacles. They left you out in cold, and now they're getting to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Here I'm having Queen of Cups again. In your life, the situation is going to end. This is in your life. The Queen of Cups is you. Okay? Clarify me, Star. Why there is star? Why there is star? Strength, King of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. You give them new hopes, new desires, Aquarius. You are the hope in their life. Because of you, you ignite the passion in them. You give them new hopes, new desires. They are gaining the strength to approach you. King of Pentacles here. They're gaining the strength to approach you. And can you see on this hand of this girl, there is infinite symbol which is here, okay? This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together here. And here I'm having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. Both are here again. See, third power couple I'm having. All the kings and queens are here in today's reading after long period of time. But use your intuitions. Bottom of the deck I'm having intuitions, High Priestess. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. You are very psychic here. Queen of Cups is someone who is having a lot of psychic abilities. Can you see? High Priestess and the Lovers here. So use your intuitions in your love life. Let me clarify why there is Tower. Why there is divine intervention in your situation. Why there is Tower here. Why there is Tower. Eight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the Star again. This is the good karma. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor because you are hoping for new hopes, new desires. Someone was very stuck here, restricted, stuck. This is restricted energy, unable to move in a forward direction. Maybe this is your energy, Aquarius. You are unable to move in a forward direction, or your person was unable to move in a forward direction. But someone was not able to move in a forward direction. Someone was not ready to take action. Someone was not ready to unstuck the stuck. Okay, you are not ready to move in a forward direction here. You are hoping for new hopes and new desires here. Can you see the Star? The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and the Star here again. Clarify me, Hierophant. Why there is Hierophant here? The World card. Bottom of the deck I'm having the Two of Cups with the Tower and the King of Cups. Wow. Can you see? You are closing out a cycle with your divine counterpart, the Two of Cups, the Tower, and the King of Cups. Both are here. King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Tower again. You are closing out a cycle, the World card. You are ending a cycle with your divine counterpart, and you're starting a new cycle. Two of Cups and the Tower and the King of Cups. Beautiful. Clarify me, Four of Swords. Why there is Four of Swords? Clarify me, Four of Swords. They move in a forward direction here again. Eight of Cups is here. They move in a forward direction. They leave you behind. See. Some kind of toxicity was attached to this person. Hierophant is here again. Emperor and the Devil. Some kind of toxicity was attached to this person, okay? Was attached to this person in the past, okay? That's why this person leave you. They move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. And after moving in a forward direction, you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Why there is... 1 minute. Eight of Cups. Why there is Two of Cups? Clarify me, Two of Cups. See, I told you, Four of Swords. Resting and rejuvenating yourself. You both are doing it, maybe. That can be a possibility. Here I'm having King of Swords here. So this is... You both were doing the healing here, Aquarius. You're doing resting and rejuvenating yourself. See, Devil again came here. Two of Cups. Clarify me, Two of Cups. The Tower has again here the Knight of Cups. Maybe they approach you in the between. You were resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are doing your inner work. 2002 was the recording reading time. You were doing your healing. You were doing your inner work, and they were coming again with a love offer here again. Can you see? They were approaching you here with the love offer. That's why the tower movement happened here. Because bottom of the deck I'm having 7 of wands, 4 of cups, hangman again. So your defenses were high. You are not ready to accept the cup from this person, but you are feeling like an hangman. The divine has to intervene in your situation here. The tower again. Clarify me, the sun. What are the new happy beginnings? Wow. Wow. They want to give you emotional fulfillment. The Ace of Cups. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, the Sun. And this is Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment. What else you want, Aquarius? Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Cups. They want to offer you cup. 2 cards just fallen out. And this was 2 of wands. They are at the crossroads making the decision. This was the card which fallen out. 3 of swords and 2 of wands. They know that they broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation. They know this, okay? And they are at the crossroads here. The King of Cups is going to give you Ace of Cups. The Sun, they want to offer you cup which is full of emotions. I'm having 3 power couples here. The King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. The King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Actually, I'm having all 4 pairs here, Aquarius, that I can say. The Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. This is someone with whom you are meant to be here, Aquarius. There is Queen of Swords and King of Swords. All King and Queen are here. Only the Emperor and the Empress is not here. Okay? All pair are here. All King and Queen are here. Beautiful. Let me see what's the advice from the divine, from the universe. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please give me the advice. What is the advice? Okay, I don't read reversals, Aquarius. If some card is reversed, I don't read reversals, and you know that. Please help me out to give the advice for this reading. Wow, the Lovers. Here, the Lovers has come. What is the advice? 6 of Swords, 3 of Cups. What is happening, Aquarius? The Tower. Again the Tower. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Emperor and the Fool. They want to take a leap of faith with you. The Emperor. I was just saying that there was no Emperor here. There are towers, tower. Sudden new happy moments. There is a divine intervention which is going to happen here. There is, see, can you see there are 3 towers here? The Tower card again. This is divine intervention. 3 of Cups. Celebration is coming towards you. You will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. This is the Lovers which you are dealing with. This is someone with whom you are destined to be. Can you see how this angel is here in this picture? Let me see more. What is the advice? Please give me the advice. You are manifesting this. You are waiting for this connection for long period of time. Can you see? Magician. You are manifesting this. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Magician. Here I'm having Queen of Swords. You know the truth that this person will come back to you. You are waiting for this person long period of time. What is the advice? They hurt you a lot. They put all the swords in your bag. 10 of Swords. What is the advice? But now there will be a success, recognition, victory. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Cups here. They are making a decision here, Aquarius. They are making a decision. Any other advice for Aquarius? Wow, this reading is very powerful. So many. 1 minute. 8 of Swords wants to come out. Yes, you were unable to. You were. Here also I was having 8 of Swords here. You both were unable to move in a forward direction here. Can you see? You both were restricted, stuck. That's why Divine has to come in the situation. But this is the love of your life here, Aquarius. And you will come towards the calmer waters with this person. Some kind of big celebration is coming for you. Tower is here. So this was the advice from the Divine. I hope I help you out. This was the extended love reading for the month of April 2021. I hope it resonates with you. Some big sudden changes are coming for you, Aquarius, and you are dealing with your divine counterpart. You are dealing with whom you are meant to be. You are waiting for this person long period of time, okay? And this person is coming to give you new happy beginnings, to give you Ace of Cups, and this is beautiful. Okay, I know they broke your heart in the past. They put you in a third party situation, but now they're coming. Do you want to give me any other thing? Yeah, see, there was some. Okay, the Sun. See, I just pick up this card in front of you. The Sun, the Temperance. New happy beginning are coming for you. Maybe there was some kind of toxicity which is attached to this person here. The Devil wants to come out here. 3 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. They are going through with lot of pain and drama, heartbreaks here, Aquarius. Whatever toxicity was there, that is going to end. Here they are coming towards you to give you the Sun, because here can you see in both pictures, this is a divine connection. You keeping your temperance, now you're getting your reward. So this was your extended love reading for the month of April. Emperor wants to come out. See, bottom of the deck I'm having Death card, 7 of Swords, 2 of Cups and the Sun. See, again, whatever situation, whatever deception was there, that is going to end here, Aquarius. Deception is going to end. Some kind, that's why the Devil was here. There was some kind of deception, which lying, cheating, manipulation, which is attached to this person. But that situation is going to end here. The Death card is here. Now the new happy beginnings. They want to give you new happy beginnings. The Emperor is coming again. I don't know why I'm getting to know that there are more. See, 4 of Wands. This is 1111, twin flame, soulmate reading. Yes, they broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation because they were unable to make a decision in the past. Now they're releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on the shoulder. And they want to give you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions. Knight of Swords. They're coming towards you. They're rushing towards you. Beautiful. They break your heart. That's the judgment. That's the judgment from the divine. Wow, because they walk away from you, Aquarius. The Empress has come again. They move in a forward direction leaving you behind. The Emperor and the Empress both are here. I told you the Emperor and the Empress are not here only, but now there is Emperor and Empress here too. That's why there was that I need to do something more. They broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart because they were unable to make a decision here. They were not ready to make a decision, and now they're releasing all the burdens which they're carrying on the shoulders by giving you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions. Emperor and the Empress both are here. This is a divine connection. This is 1111 twin flame card, marriage card. This person is your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. So that's what I am having for you. I hope it resonates with you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and energy, beautiful energies to all my Aquarius. Wherever you are in the world, take care of yourself and see you soon.